In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide completed tasks in Microsoft To Do. If your lists feel cluttered by items you've already finished, this quick technique will give you a cleaner, more focused view. The best part is that it works the same way on Windows, the web, and your mobile device, so you can follow along on whatever you're using. Start by opening Microsoft To Do and navigating to the specific place you want to tidy up. That could be My Day, your main tasks list, or any custom list you've created. The feature works in almost all views, so choose the one you're actively working in. Now look toward the bottom of that list. When you've checked off at least one item, a section labeled Completed will appear there. If you don't see it, it usually means there aren't any finished tasks in that particular list yet. You can scroll down to make sure you're at the very bottom so it's easy to spot. Next, tap or click the small arrow beside the word Completed. On desktop and web, you'll click it, and on mobile, you'll tap it. This arrow collapses the completed section. As soon as you collapse it, all of your finished tasks are neatly hidden from view, leaving you with only the items you still need to do. This is perfect when you want to stay focused and avoid visual noise. If you ever want to review what you've accomplished, just tap or click that same arrow again to expand the completed section. Everything you've finished will reappear exactly as it was. You can scroll through those entries to double-check details, or if you decide something isn't needed anymore, you can delete it from there. Keep in mind that hiding completed tasks does not delete anything. Collapsing simply changes what you see. It doesn't remove your data. You can repeat this in any list where you want a cleaner view. Open the list, head to the bottom, and collapse Completed. It's a simple habit that keeps your to-do environment streamlined without losing your history of what's done. That's all there is to it. Open your list, find the completed section at the bottom, collapse it with the arrow to hide finished tasks, and expand it again whenever you want to review them. With this small tweak, Microsoft To Do stays focused on what matters most, the tasks you still need to complete. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, distraction-free lists.